Hey guys, today we will be talking about a court case that takes place in the sunny state of Florida.
The case we'll be talking about today is Gideon v. Wainwright.
A man named Clarence Earl Gideon was charged with breaking and entering with the intent to commit a misdemeanor.
This was not new to Gideon. He trapped out of 8th grade and ran away in middle school. He drifted in and out of prison for much of his life.
After the breaking and entering charge, Gideon was immediately taken to court to be charged for his crimes, which is a felony under Florida law.
Gideon arrived at court with no lawyer. He exclaimed he did not have enough money to afford a lawyer, so during open court, he asked the judge to appoint one for him.
However, this attempt failed and Gideon had to represent himself in court. He did not do a very good job. For example, he called on witnesses for the other side, etc.
Gideon was sentenced to 5 years in jail without proper representation in court.
However, Gideon was still unsatisfied with his result. He wrote a habeas corpus petition along with many letters to the Florida Supreme Court to get justice.
Many of his efforts were rejected, but the Supreme Court agreed with Gideon and looked back at the 6th and 14th Amendments.
As a result, Gideon was given another trial in 1963, nearly 2 years after the Supreme Court ruling.
Gideon chose W. Fred Turner to be his lawyer in court. With his help, Gideon was acquitted and finally got a fair trial.
Justice Hugo L. Black argued that it was inconsistent with the Constitution to not appoint Gideon with an attorney after he stated he could not afford one.
Gideon was an essential part of history and signified the importance of the 6th Amendment. Around 2,000 convicted people from Florida have been freed as a result.